question is, Guruji, it has happened with me several times that while doing some work or meeting some person, I feel as if I am exactly replaying something I have done in a past life. But then I feel it is not possible because life is continuously changing. Even if I have known that person in the past life, it cannot be same event. Is it really possible that we can replay certain events of our past lives in our current life? Gyan Raipuria, your experience is not a lie, but it is not completely true. Understand, when you came across certain people, places, emotion, some frequency marks are made in you. Highest frequency, middle frequency, lowest frequency. It's almost like in the post office, they will dovehole the letters. It's like, see, each district, they will have a dovehole. They will dovehole the letter. Tirunelveli district, Salem district, Mumbai or Chennai, Bangalore, they will dovehole. Each of your experience, you also dovehole. Like perfect experience of Mooladhara, perfect experience of Swadhisthana, a perfect experience of Manipuraka, Agnya. Like that you dovehole your experiences. Second time, in the next birth, if the same doveholing happens, it may not be same person, it may not be same place, but even if one part of the experience is same, means just the place is same, or the mood is same, or the person is same, even if one component of that experience is a repetition, and please understand, I am explaining very clearly. Let me give you a clear example. For example, perfect experience of fear. You are in a forest, dark night, a tiger is chasing. In these three, in the next birth, even if one component repeats, just dark night, or tiger chasing, or forest, even if one component repeats, and if the fear experience happens, see, even in one component repeating can create fear experience, just dark night, and some other sound, when that fear experience repeats, when the experience gets doveholed into the same hole, even if one component is same, you feel like a replay is happening. Understand? This is the way deja vu experience happens. All the Western claims like a deja vu is a complete replay is wrong. It is not complete replay. Same way, like some of the atheists and materialists claim that there is no such thing as deja vu experience. That is also wrong. You need to know the whole science. Whole science of deja vu experience. When you have dovehole certain experience into certain chakra, in the next Janma, even if one component of that experience is there and the same doveholing happens, you experience deja vu. And one more example. You are having the same dark night, but your experience is not getting classified as fear, like you are having romance. That will not bring deja vu, because it is going to be classified as Mooladhara. At least one component of the past experience should be there. Second, this experience also should be classified into the same chakra, same energy center. When these two matches, you experience deja vu. So, Gyan Raipuria, what you are going through is neither wrong nor completely right. One good thing, when you have this kind of experiences, you will start questioning about the reality. See, when I had the enlightenment experience at the age of 12, first thing I tried to do was, I tried to touch the rock I was sitting to see, verify whether it's a solid material or is it like a air, very porous, thin matter. Because the first thing happened to me was, I felt the whole thing is made out of same stuff. Stuff out of which our dreams are made. Stuff out of which the trees are made. Stuff out of which the temple was made. Stuff out of which Arunachala was made. Stuff out of which my body was made. Everything looks same. See, for example, when I take this healing stick, I know the different components, this amethyst ball, the crystal, and the wooden piece connecting. I know the difference. And the silver beading. I know the difference. But when it comes to wooden piece, inside wooden piece, I don't know the difference. I feel, oh, wood means same. This inch, this end of the wood and this end of the wood is same. That much only is my perception. But if you give it to somebody who carves wood, who knows much about wood, he will be able to make difference between this corner and this corner. There may be some technical difference, but from my side, I feel no, this much only. Wood is wood, same. At that moment, how I am not able to differentiate one edge, another edge of the wood. I felt the whole thing is same. I felt the whole universe is same. But if you ask the experts, they'll say, no, stone is a stone, plant is a plant, dream is a dream. Even inside dream there are millions of things. House is a house, temple is a temple. They'll give 1,001 example. But in me, I could see the whole. The whole was just one and the same. These extraordinary mystical experiences like deja vu will make you question the very basis of reality. I tell you, unless you question very basis of reality, life is poor. Poverty in life is not questioning the reality. Person who neither questions nor learns to questioning is poor. Poverty has nothing to do with money. Poverty has nothing to do with influence. It has something to do with your ability to question the reality. World is suffering with too much of spiritual poverty. I tell you, blessed are those who can question the reality, who can really question the reality. Gyan Raipurya, God is sending you the messages. These experiences of deja vu is a direct experience from your inner consciousness, the very source, God Himself. So question the reality.